सो गाइस क्या होता है, मोस्टली कैंडिडेट जाते हैं इंटरव्यू के लिए, वो इंटरव्यू में फेल हो जाते हैं। उनके साथ होता कि है लैक ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस, लैक ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, लैक ऑफ जैसा आप प्रोनाउंस कर रहे हो, जैसा भी हो, मतलब उनमें क्या खामी आ जाती है, इस बॉडी लैंग्वेज और स्माइल और ड्रेसिंग, मतलब कैसा आप कपड़ा पहने हो, फॉर्मल कैसा है आपका, हाँ सब हिस्ट्री आयरन वायरन है। सो गाइस होता क्यों है, सो मैं बेसिकली एग्जांपल देके आपको मैं अपना इंटरव्यू दूंगा और आपको पता चलेगा कि मैं बेसिकली आपको कैसा बताना चाह रहा हूँ एग्जांपल के तौर पे कि आप इंटरव्यू में क्या बोले। तो आपको तो पता है मैं एज अ सिविल इंजीनियर वर्क करता हूँ नदी कंस्ट्रक्शन में, तो मैं अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करता हूँ अपने बारे में। कोई अगर MBA प्रोग्राम है या कोई जॉब के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी आती है, आप कैसा इंटरव्यू दोगे, ठीक है। सो पहले आप चेहरे पर स्माइल दीजिए। सो स्टार्टिंग में बोलिए, इट्स माई प्लेजर टू स्पीक विथ यू। Hi, I'm Manish Yadav. I'm basically from Mumbai city, and I have completed my graduation from CLR Tiwari College in civil engineering since 2019, and I had also a qualification of SSC and SSC board that will be completed in 2013 and 2015 respectively, and I had an experience of lot of experience in this field, so I got hired through a off-campus placement in Nabil Construction Private Limited as a billing and planning engineer. So, as my way of work in this field, I took a position of billing manager. ठीक है? So, I choose this field because I am interested in the MBA program. That's why I'm explore my knowledge, and this will give me a dimension of my career, and this is my long time career option. And in this field I enjoy a lot of thing like civil engineering project. Yeah, I'm learning lot of skills that will be boosted my skills. So I'm vaccination in language. I'm vaccination for learning a language like Spanish, Japanese, French. That language I'm learning now, and whenever I'm going out in free time, I enjoy with friend. I love to watching my movie, Marvel movie, and listening a music, reading a book, novels. That will be motivate to me and fresh my mind, and this will be making me a cool person. And so basically my father is a businessman. I have a business of aloo kanda batata, and my mother is a housewife. Beside my parents, I have also a younger brother who is who is pursuing a 12th board in 2021, and as have you know my skills like a totally cool person, and I am good in communication. I have also a quality of a good communication skills, and whenever I am going out for a certification of project where I am explore my unique project and difficulties in project, that will be a increased profitability of annual income of my company, and I am good to making a goodwill with my clients like Atlantic company, Ovai Builder, Sapuji Builder. Okay, so that will be making me a good person who is interested into growth of my company annually with a ratio of 1:2, and you know what I'm saying right now. I have also experience of a lot of I have also experience of billing management and construction management and project management that have also that have also having a certificate, and this was totally authentic. I'm not lying. I'm not here to telling a line over here. So I'm good in the sport also. Actively, I'm always represent my college for a chess and cricket game, and I'm a working member of Alumni Fest, and I'm also represent my college in the state level. I'm also a silver medalist in the chess in the 12th SSC in the 12th in 2015. ठीक है. Then as my experience, as my internship certificate, as my post experience, I am suitable for this position. I am totally suitable for this position. If you hire me, I am. If you hire me now, this give me a new dimension of my career. This give me a new dimension of my skills. This give me a further development of my skills. That's why I'm here to talk with you for this position. So if you hire me, I am guaranteed you are not nervous about, you are not disappoint my skills. Okay, bye, see you, and bye bye.